Hello everyone, this is Joel with Bodyworks. Today I'm going to show you how to use a foam roller on your calf. So first off, you'll need a nice mat, something soft to lay on. In the calf rolling position, there's only about two positions for the basic starting, that's laying down or sitting up. I prefer sitting up because you can adjust your pressure, you can change your range of motion, and we'll show you that here in just a moment. So for starters, we have our foam roller. I have my PVC pipe here. We're going to place the calf you're going to roll on to that roller, and you're just going to gently rock back and forth. Now when you're able to do that, at a certain point you'll feel muscles shifting, muscles maybe even popping, that type of sound. You can rotate the foot left and right to get a different angle around that area. If those areas are sore, keep the pressure there for up to 2 minutes. It should take only 60 seconds for the soreness and the muscle tension to relax and go away. If it doesn't, then don't go back to that approach. That approach is basically a trigger point technique that is used to release knots and muscle spasms. So to increase your range of motion on here, instead of just having this small, 2 inches here, we're gonna plant our hands back, lift our hips up, and roll our whole body forward. Now if you're having shoulder issues, back issues, wrist issues, this isn't something you want to do, okay? You might want to just lay on the ground and take it piece by piece, little by little, all right? So that's how you roll the calf. You want to keep those muscles from the back of the knee all the way down to the Achilles and right before the heel. You want to roll those about 20 to 30 times. And that might take a minute, it might take 5 minutes, it might take 60 minutes. If it does take a minute, call me. There might be something wrong with you. I'm just kidding. Give me a call if you have any questions though. The number is 480-381-5779. And thumbs up for a like, or leave a comment in down below. We'll talk soon.